A perfect boiled egg in just
Hi
seconds.
guys, this is Tita Ching TV. What I'm going to share with you this afternoon is my secret. The quickest and easiest way of boiling an egg. In just a few seconds, you have a perfect boiled egg. But before we proceed, I will just share with you how did I discover that. You know, every morning before I go to work, I always have a boiled egg as a breakfast. But one morning I was rushing, I was in a hurry, and I have only 5 minutes in my hand. Otherwise, I will be late for work. So what I did, I said, oh, I really need to boil an egg. And so what I did is watch. Yeah, so I was rushing. So I have seen my kettle boiling. So I just have a thought. So I said, why don't I try this? So all you have to do is your electric kettle, fill it with at least 600 mLs of water. It's just enough to cover the egg. Yeah, so what I did is, this is just the first step that will take you longer time. So boil it, and 2 seconds, just 2 seconds, this amount of water will gonna be boiled. Yeah, so 2 seconds. So yeah, that's the only longest time that you spend, 2 seconds. And then I'll have my egg here. Yeah, I have my egg. Make sure that you use a tong because this is already boiled, and as you can see, it's boiling hard. Yeah, so what I do is use a tong. Careful, put it inside. So I use a tong because it's really hot. Yeah, and then put it back, and then turn it on again. Yeah, so turn it on again. Less than a second, it will turn it off. Yeah, so that's the first boiled while the egg is in there. And then do it another one. Do it another one time. One more time, do it. Yeah. Yeah, so it's just a few seconds and you will have a perfect boiled egg. And then let's see now if it is been cooked. Yeah. So I need to bring it out now. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and then I am going to peel it off now, and I will show you the perfect boiled egg. So the egg has been out from the electric kettle, so let it cool down before you peel it off. The reason behind that is the remaining heat from the egg is a perfect time to cook the rest of it, to cook the rest of the egg, and it will make you a perfect egg. Or what you can do is just bring it at work and eat it from there, because that's what I do. Because whenever it's at work, it's I will have it there, and it will be a perfect boiled egg then. And yeah, so I'll show you the end product. There, perfect. Ta-da! And there we go. See? Nice. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that. The easiest and quickest way of boiling an egg. Bye.
Thank you for watching.